J.D.K.I.R.L in real life. Type name. Still a problem in real time. Clock in, turn a thought into flame. Couch king made a throne out of pain. Big plans out the notes in my phone. Small circle, but the hunger done grown. J.D.K.I.R.L. Not a tag, it's the tale I tell. From the jump, you can feel that swell. Say the name once, you remember real well.
We out here. Oh my god. It's already crazy out here. It ain't even noontime yet. Wow. This is crazy. We got one car right there. Wow. This is pretty crazy. Oh, we got pavement. Oh yeah. Wow, that's the mail guy. This is crazy. Pretty fun though. All right. Jesus Christ, hurry up. Yeah, whiteout. Whiteout conditions. I don't know, I suck at talking on camera. Here comes my boy in the plow. Oh yeah, that's when you feel it in the calves. That's when you feel it in the calves. Oh yeah. Slow right down. Uphill, you slow right down. I just went from like a good 15 miles an hour to a 2 miles an hour. I don't even know. It's bad out here though. My whole face is numb. I can't even feel it. Oh. gotta get out here and start shoveling now. Wow, this is crazy.
J.D.K.I.R.L. Not a tag, it's the tale I tell. From the jump, you can feel that swell. Say the name once, you remember real well.